Welcome to Delve into Wonder. Ever wondered how planet Earth is formed? Join us on this journey as we explore the process of planet Earth's creation. In the beginning, there was a massive explosion known as the Big Bang. This explosion sent energy and matter hurtling across the universe. Over billions of years, this energy and matter began to come together to form stars, galaxies, and planets. One of these planets was Earth, a small blue speck in the vastness of space. As Earth formed, it was a hot and molten ball of rock and metal. Over time, the surface of the planet began to cool and solidify. Volcanic activity and intense heat shaped the early Earth's landscape. As the planet cooled even further, water vapor in the atmosphere condensed and formed oceans. The oceans covered much of the Earth's surface, creating a unique environment for life to emerge. Simple organisms, such as bacteria, were some of the earliest forms of life on Earth. Over millions of years, these simple organisms evolved and diversified into more complex life forms. Plants and animals, including fish and reptiles, began to inhabit the Earth's oceans. Some of these organisms eventually made their way onto land, adapting to new environments. Through a process called natural selection, life on Earth continued to evolve and adapt. Dinosaurs roamed the Earth for millions of years, dominating the land. But an asteroid impact caused a mass extinction, wiping out the dinosaurs and opening the door for mammals to thrive. Mammals flourished and eventually gave rise to primates, such as humans. Over millions of years, early humans evolved and developed complex societies. The story of the creation of Earth is a fascinating journey of natural processes and the emergence of life. It took billions of years for our planet to become the diverse and vibrant place it is today. But no matter how Earth came to be, one thing is certain: it is our home and it's our responsibility to take care of it. Subscribe to Delve into Wonder and unlock a world of discovery and inspiration.